Hi guys, today we're reviewing the Philips Norelco OneBlade 2025, the grooming tool that promises to trim, edge, and shave any hair length. But does it really replace your trimmer, razor, and shaver? Let's break it down. The OneBlade is a hybrid grooming tool designed for versatility. It uses a dual-sided blade that moves up to 200 times per second, cutting through hair quickly without tugging or irritating the skin. It's built for three main jobs: trimming stubble, edging clean lines, and shaving down hair of any length. Unlike traditional razors, it doesn't shave super close, so you avoid razor burn while still getting a neat and smooth look. The blade is replaceable and lasts about 4 months with regular use. It's also a waterproof, so you can use it wet or dry, with or without shaving cream. In real use, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and especially good for guys who grow hair fast and want a quick and for irritation-free routine. So is the Philips Norelco OneBlade worth it in 2025? If you want one tool that trims, edges, and shaves comfortably without the hassle of multiple devices, it's a solid choice. So that's it. Thanks for watching.